Cheers of victory rang out from the steps of the Supreme Court Thursday as the High Court upheld President Barack Obama's controversial health care law.
I actually am happy that it was upheld. I feel that, it's something that will provide care for millions of Americans.
But not everyone was joining in on the celebration.
We think that it's certainly unconstitutional, that this is a massive expansion still of government, of the federal government, and a kind of a power grab by the federal government against the states and the people.
CNN first reported that the law's individual mandate had been ruled unconstitutional, setting off mistaken waves of cheers from members of the Tea Party.
I still am kind of a little confused right now because I'm hearing multiple things.
The initial reaction outside the Supreme Court was confusion, but there was no mistake on Capitol Hill. Texas lawmakers say this ruling is sure to have a big impact on people back home.
I think this is such an important victory for Texas families and for small businesses in Texas that have either not been able to get insurance or have been subject to discriminatory practices.
But GOP Senator Hutchison says the law will be a nightmare for the Texas economy.
Businesses are not going to hire and expand, knowing that they are facing these huge fines as well as a very large corporate tax rate, which is now the highest in the world.
Other state Republicans say it's not just about the economy.
This is the greatest surrender of individual freedom in my lifetime. You're giving up individual freedom. You are to the federal government giving up the right to make ultimate decisions on your health care.
The law lets kids stay on their parents' health care plans until they're 26 and gets rid of lifetime limits on care.
Those are good things that we need to make sure that insurance companies keep their word that they will do. But on the other hand, the people who are going to lose insurance coverage completely and have to go on this government system are not going to have quality health care.
Health care in a state where more than 6 million people are uninsured. In Washington, this is Jenna Barnes from the MEDILL News Service reporting for the Texas Tribune.